We're back at 3D TLC here in San Jose, and with me I have Erica Driver from ThinkBomb. And Erica has just released a new study called Crossing the Chasm, one implementation at a time. And excellent piece of work. Erica, could you share with our blog audience a couple of the findings from your research?
Sure, happy to. Thanks for having me here for this brief interview. So we published a report, a ThinkBomb report yesterday, Crossing the Chasm, and what this is a bit of research into the barriers that people face and the springboards that they're choosing to overcome those barriers. And so as we progressed through the research, we found that the key barriers to adoption fall into three categories. They're technological, they're people-oriented, and they're financial. And some barriers appear right away, as soon as you begin the project or even beforehand. There are others that come up once you start to move into production and begin to roll it out a little bit more broadly. And then a third set, people aren't really dealing with yet. They will come up in the future as the deployments move toward enterprise-wide, or the organization realizes this is business-critical software. Mm-hmm. And for most of these barriers, there are springboards that people are choosing, and sometimes they're workarounds, and sometimes they truly are solutions to the problem. So I know it sounds dark and dire, but people are figuring out how to deal with the problems.
And I think we've seen some of the same problems ourselves, which is why we've tried to integrate on top of existing enterprise systems that people are finding value. And I think this would be a trend in the industry overall. Would you agree?
Absolutely. You know, some of the announcements like the one that Photon Media made this week and other vendors as well indicate a move toward more enterprise-appropriate solutions. To integrate with enterprise infrastructure, collaboration tools, ease of use improvements, stability improvements, so altogether good things.
Well, thank you for joining us on the blog here, Erica, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.
My pleasure.